Manchester seminar addresses community concerns. High Commissioner praises British Pakistani youth. A significant gathering in Manchester where community leaders came together to address sensitive issues and celebrate the positive impact of the British Pakistani diaspora. Seminar and luncheon, hosted by the Pakistani Consul General, Tariq Wazir, brought together prominent figures from across the British Pakistani community. The focus was twofold: to openly discuss concerns surrounding recent grooming allegations and to highlight the invaluable contributions of British Pakistanis to society. The event, held at the British Muslim Heritage Centre, saw a diverse attendance, including members of Parliament, business leaders, and youth representatives. Consul General Wazir initiated the discussion, emphasizing the need for a balanced approach, acknowledging concerns while celebrating successes. High Commissioner of Pakistan to the UK, Dr. Muhammad Faisal, delivered a powerful speech, praising the younger generation's dedication and positive influence within the British community. He encouraged youth to actively participate in British life, further strengthening ties between the UK and Pakistan. Let's watch some highlights.
Welcome our distinguished guest from London, His Excellency High Commissioner for Pakistan, Dr. Faisal, Bobby, Dr. Sarah, and Genral as well, to the great city of Manchester.
And therefore, as Muslims, we're very clear on the point. When things are going well, we say Shukr Alhamdulillah. When it is going down, we're told Sabr, Usra Yusra. But after every difficulty, there is ease. So we are always optimistic.
To say that it's absolutely amazing to see so many women here today, and the female representation has to happen. As alongside our young people, our women, you play an integral part in our society, and alongside our men.
There is no doubt that we all equally condemn and we all believe that the perpetrators must be brought to justice. They should get the maximum punishment. And even I always give that reference that in Islam there is more punishment for that such kind of crimes than even in British law. But at the same time, we cannot allow that they should target particularly the Pakistani community.
For us in our own way, no matter what background, what career, what skills you have, to stand up for ourselves.
Entirely true that we must celebrate our achievements, but where things are not quite as they should be, we need to address them.
Or international face or the Pakistani face. So when we five of us decided to run together, I think the unity is one big thing.
Tariq Wazir is often saying we need to get involved in politics, we need to get involved in politics. It's sad to say, but the perception of Pakistanis in the community, the image is being downgraded because of these grooming gangs, and it's something that we need to clean up.
But not just as a community, as a society, as people, and I think it was just that unity that kept us so strong. That
I think every single one of you in this room should, give yourselves a huge round of applause because you're contributing so much to the society.
Through this organization, we empower individuals with disabilities and families so we can create safe spaces where joy, meaningful and connection is a part of that change.
Sadly, wherever I go, it is mostly the older generation that I interact with. Here, it's very heartening to see young boys, young girls who are making us proud. And this has to be our focus, especially in the current situation. Pakistan community has been contributing to United Kingdom for more than 150 years or so. British society, our contributions, your contributions to the UK's education, to NHS, to British cuisine, to British music, to British art and paintings, to British law, to everything under the sun in the United Kingdom has to be brought forth so that it becomes obvious to everyone the amount of contribution, positive contribution that you people have made throughout the British society. Young ladies, third generation born here, so you can't be more British than that, you know. Their grandparents came here, so we have to respect that. But thank you very much. Thank you, Tariq, for arranging it. Very grateful. Thank you. And I thank you.
Report Mia Amirali and Humaira Sana, Manchester.